sonke siphiwe ngokuhlukana. Nani baprofeti, nani zangoma. As spiritual children, we must unite because there is a war against us nalento esikuyo.
True.
To discredit it. Not only a war from the outside, propaganda, but a war from the inside. Abantu abaplantiwe abama-fake to cause this thing of ours to lose its essence and become a redundant thing. Ingasahlonipheki. So the biggest thing is lento leyo ukuthi sixabane. It's natural uzoxabana nabantu, but more than anything, we are spiritual advisors and spiritual guides. Masibumbane for the sake of isizwe esinyama. Please, asibumbane. Ngiyabonga.
No, ayazwakala futhi, and nami I want to ngigcwalise. Okay, now on my side, into engayithandi, it's not all inyanga, but those inyanga, some of them, but they are the arrogance. I don't